We want to be sure and talk to them about not only the construction process, but we also want to talk about the sustainability issues that we're dealing with and how we're using sustainable issues on the job site, as well as to talk to them about how the job opportunities that are available in construction, specifically commercial construction, to let people know that it is possible to use sustainable products in construction and be profitable.
A lot of just what people would call hands-on. Students really don't know how to do it. They don't know how to approach it. They're very well programmed to do classroom activities, but anything that's they got to step out of their kind of creativity comfort zone, they struggle with. So we've developed this to kind of hopefully build those skills back up.
There's a lot that we talked about in class that you can see is being applied on site, so it's cool to see it like in action. It was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
A lot of just understanding like what's going to go onto the site, and then how things are going to be done essentially. So it's kind of cool to get an inside look at that.
These pier pads will go down, and then the whole pad, the floor, and the edges will go in all at once in one large pour. One of the other things that we wanted to talk about was renewable resources. One thing that Corp Inc. and in the construction industry, most of the people are really trying very hard to make sure that we're using renewable resources as best we can. This site is set up as a zero balance site. Zero balance site says that everything that comes off of this is going to have to be able to be used on site and not have to be hauled off. As you may have heard or may not, but just here recently in the last few years, exporting our recycled material has become much more difficult, and so we have quite a bit of recycled material that we don't know what to do with. They came up with this, which is just broken up recycled glass, and we can use it for our trench backfill.
We've talked a lot about the swale and about the sustainability of everything.
And that kind of idea of putting in a swale, we thought about doing that for our final this year. We wanted to build a swale over by our orchard. I was really into like the sustainable, like look at the bioswale and then how that's going to be put in and what it's going to do for the site as a whole.
And one of the things that they're planning on doing for the new building here is solar panels, which is very important, and I think every building should have one.
Probably looking to renovate some of the older buildings in the district, like Glencoe, and like looking at like Glencoe and Century. They're very like closed in, not a whole lot of windows, when they could have a lot more like natural lighting. But probably getting those older buildings up and ready to be more sustainable in their design.
And I think sustainable engineering is really important, and it's really cool to see how they're using it here.